Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. I have a Stampin' Up haul for you. Stay tuned and keep watching. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tammy and I'm going to do an unboxing. I've got some Stampin' Up supplies here. If I can get my knife to work. I need a new razor blade. Great big old box here, not enough room to get it in view here. So I've got a whole bunch of stuff here. This is the list of items. And here is everything. So I'm going to pause here for a minute, get everything organized, and I'll show you what I've got. Alrighty, so the first thing we've got in this box, this is a heat tool. Though I had a heat tool, I wanted to get Stampin' Up's heat tool because I love theirs. I'll show you why. They have a button here that does 2 different temperatures, so that if you want to just dry things, you can go on the first setting. And then when you want to emboss, you go all the way. So I thought that was really nice. Oh, it's so pretty and new. Mine's really old. So yes, I definitely wanted to get this because I knew it had the 2 settings. And I'm very excited now that I have it. And it's really not that expensive. And it's about the same price of any other heating tools out there. So I'm glad I finally got that. And this, I was real excited to also get. And I've got one of these also in another brand. But I really like theirs a lot better. It's the Stamperatus. And I've been wanting to get one. Most stamping tools just have the one plate, and the Stamperatus, you can have several plates. As you see, the plates come off. So you could have several different stamps. And as you see here, where it's got a plate here and a plate here. See if I can figure out how to get it on. There you go. So you can have a plate here with a stamp, and then a plate over here. So I got it on right? Okay. A plate there. Then you can get extra plates, have stamps ready to go, and swap the plates out with the stamps already on them. And you can really mass produce. So that's why I really wanted this, because I thought this would be awesome to have for when you're doing a lot of cards, or just certain types of cards that you might need something that's a little more difficult. You know, there's been times I've just I just really needed this. So, but yeah, it shows you everything that you can do with it and how it works. So yes, very, very glad to have that. But Stampin' Up shows all different kinds of techniques and everything, and I'll be showing how you can use it as well. And then I bought a whole bunch of blends, because I've been needing some new blends. Let's see, and these come in 2 of a pack where you get the light and the dark. Let's see, I forgot what colors I got. Let me see. It's so hard to read these. I don't have my reading glasses here. Well, I'm looking. Okay, Cajun Craze. This one is dark smoky slate. Well, it's light and dark smoky slate. This is a shaded spruce. And this is, I think, so Saffron. And this one is Crumb Cake. So those are the colors I've got this time. I've still got to get plenty more. I've got a new Winka Stella, because I don't know what happened to my other one, but it was about time for me to get a new one anyway. And then, of course, I ordered all this before the end of celebration, and I spent over $100 getting this order, so I was able to get a $100 purchase. So I got the counting sheet stamp set and the dies, and that's what the stamp set looks like. Now celebration is over with now, because it ended the end of September. And if you didn't get to purchase while that was going on, I really wish you'd have gotten a chance to, because there were so many great freebies. But here are the dies. I know this was a big deal right here, this one. So yeah, I decided to get this one. I know everybody was wanting this one. I'm surprised it was even in. And then I do have another order coming, so it's going to be in, I think, later in the week. So I guess in a few days I'll be getting it, and I'll show y'all that. But this is what I've got here in this order, and I just wanted to show y'all that. And I do have a new host code, so I'll post that up for the month of October if you decide you want to order anything. And then also remember that the paper pumpkin, you've got until the 10th of October to order the Christmas one. If you'd like to order that through me, you can order that. And yeah, their paper pumpkins are really have gotten a lot better. Also, if you don't want to get hooked into maybe the paper pumpkin just yet, I mean, now you can just order the one and check it out. But they do have now, with Stampin' Up, they've got all kinds of kits. So you can check those out. And most of the kits now, if they have stamps and all with them, they have the blocks just like Stampin' Up does. So you can check on Stampinup.com and see what kind of kits they have. Now some of them don't have stamps. They might just have stickers, or they might be just a leftover kit from Stampin' Up or something like that. So you have to check and see what all's in the kit. Make sure you do that before you just order one of them, and see what there is in it. But yeah, those, I believe, actually I may have ordered one coming up in this next order here. I do know they had a Christmas one, but it is out right now. I do know they're getting another Christmas one in. I haven't checked to see if it's in yet, because I was interested in that. I tried to order the one that they had in. Like I said, it was out at the time I tried to put the order in. So I don't know if they're going to be getting more in or what. I haven't heard. So I'll have to find out and see. But anyway, you can always check on there, like I said, the website, and they always let you know what's in, what kits they have in and everything. So I thank y'all for watching. Please remember to give me a thumbs up. That helps my channel. Comment down below. That also helps. Just say hello, what you like, just anything. And if you could maybe share my videos. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love it if you would subscribe and click that notification bell for all notifications. That way YouTube will let you know when I post new videos. So I thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you again soon in the next video.